Stop.
When you buy your blood
You know what her blood pressure, she thinks she normally see.
You need to stop.
And you need to stop. I'm
only
forced to
thing
sell the
with
congi.
destiny,
As you buy your ticket,
stop
I'm
talking
first.
and
Before
from
the
that,
whole blood
you
clot
walk
internet,
and you
it might be
tell me, you know, what
first.
kind of
So why you
notice?
never tell me? You too lie. I mean
Call
first
me
to sell
baby
the
father
congi. Me
now and
first.
ask
You
him.
prove there. Me first.
Call me baby father now and ask
But
him.
no,
Baby
Destiny
father,
are wicked and
and
lie.
someone know which party me live.
You
Man,
never
pressure
want
girl.
to move.
I tell her.
You never want nobody to
Stop
say I
walk
move,
and
girl.
tell lie, Destiny. Where you know you walk and you make up stuff. Me never tell a lie for your
Me never make up a story and you want to make up peer story
everything
about
a
just
lie.
no one.
What kind of
You want
notice?
to
Me
make
not
up
getting a
story.
notice.
Alright, you know what you do?
Bring on, me
Why you
just
report
move
my
your
PayPal?
son. Me
My
a pay
PayPal
me
chubby
rent.
you?
Bring on, me never owe a rent yet.
Why do you report my PayPal? Did my PayPal have nothing to do with you? You send me $63, you send me $83, you report it back. Why?
Ivany, you want to come out for the live because you're pregnant.
Make she calm down for two.
Ivany, you want to come out for the live.
Destiny, I wicked. Why you just say Taya wicked? I thought you tell me that
She
blood clot
said
broke out
today.
the glass. Talk about that. I thought you tell me
Come
that
here after to the warm. Somebody at echo. If she get a call, she need to minimize the phone. Why me not tell no lie? Sometimes it's so fair, see?
Destiny.
do I nothing. Me a human being. Me a human being. Miss me now. Me now walk and tell you like Panara. Me now walk and tell you like Panara bumbo clot. Me now walk and tell like one people are blood clot. Come here, put your blood clot.
Never yet sit up on the phone and tell us that we get notice yet. Never yet sit up on the phone and tell us that we get notice.
Who phone that?
Up your phone.
Ivany, you want to come out for the live and calm down because you're pregnant, goodie. What you want do? You want done?
You want come talk about say me a wicked and evil. She never want internet.
Come down, Binger.
Me no want nothing happen to you, goodie. God know, cause God knows.
Tell her calm down, man.
Blinger and cheese wouldn't know. How much days it take for your leave, Blinger?
30.
Alright, yes, me what you call it, lease now up till October. Me now gonna move cause me like show proof. So when me not move
ball and drop down cause you know you're lying.
Who I tell lie, that's all me have to say.
No, ball and drop down cause you're lying. Cause you tell me that on the phone.
Destiny,
you tell me that.
You hold where you hold.
Ivany, you need to stop it because you tell me that, Ivany. You did tell me that. You go like you never tell me. Okay, you never tell me nothing yet. You never said nothing to me.
October.
You never tell nothing yet. You never tell me nothing yet.
30 days it take for your leave. Yes, 30 days. So when can the days them go by and me not move, what go happen? Because if a person tell us you have to move and then you notice you have to move. Now say
she saying.
It have to move. If somebody give notice, you have to move. I'm not gonna move. So make me see what I go on because you me never call you and tell us I get notice. Me never call you and tell you that. Never.
Ivany, stop it. You did. Stop it.
Never call you and tell us I get notice.
You did tell me that.
And
that's the reason why you're crying now, because you're too loud. You did tell me that.
What else other proof you have about me? And I have nothing else because me and I sit down and chat because me and you have a first argument.
I like your blood clot till a whole heap. A whole heap patch of your tree number.
Line up your
son. Your tree number me have line up your son. Your tree number me have line up your son on WhatsApp.
The thing with the Chrissy girl,
number me have your son.
And me tell her say don't give the girl when you're Chrissy because she greedy and she make money. And she don't get everything from paradise.
Stop it.
Me come let's come talk about that. Me tell her say don't customize.
You send all them girl number me stalk her down the girl.
But tell us say don't customize.
I'm have the proof you send me her number stalk her down the girl.
For you brawling upon the live, me tell her that. Me never tell her that personal. Me tell her say no customize because the girl not cost for you. What me and you talk? If you know add Owie. Add him.
Where is Owie?
Add me be a father.
When the blood clot.
When
a blood clot.
Add him.
When they?
Must be a father. Even the father not drop me for you.
We always send Kongi. I'm in
first to send Kongi. Not drop me for you. Add Owie now.
This you always send Kongi. I'm in first to send Kongi this.
Add Owie now.
This you always send Kongi. I'm in first. I'm first to send Kongi this. Me first. You send Kongi this, but Destiny I tell lie.
As much as I'm a baby father in a things, my baby father not for you, so add him.
Let me see him.
Oh, type something.
Type something, let me see him.
So for the bank, you don't know MDP. You don't know MDP?
May I look, may I watch him, make him type one.
I'm just type it.
Make him send one request, I type something, let me see. Mighty God. This him not send no request. Oh, we type 1.
It's not here.
Maybe you don't want to come up. Type 1.
I saw me slope on the blood clot message.
All over Swiss still live with the fake page.
No, me not slow.
So that's why we never chat people yet.
Type 1, Owie.
Everything, see there? All over people live with them say they on fake page I watch. So we are talking about. Look, you not make the gone here, man. Come here, everything. We not even watch show. All over people live and say they on fake page I watch. See there? All over people live.
Wait till she come. She not see none. She get a call.
All over people live and tell me say I watch my fake page and people have much gift over there. And yeah, ask me what happened over people live. One yeah. I'm gonna have a fake page. I'm gonna want fake page. I'm gonna have a real page.
I don't think him want to come up.
So yeah, talk about. Me know what can tell lie.
Oh, he's not a drama king, you know.
I think maybe that's why I'm not.
We just get caught up in the
me know what can tell lie. Yeah, man, okay, want people to sorry for you. Don't do it, girl. Cause you know you tell me that. You know you tell me that on the phone. And you go call me friend Lataya. You go call her, me love. Come and say it to her. Oh, I mean, what can tell lie.
One blood clot girl army.
I mean, a one girl army to the blood clot. Me a one girl army. Me a one girl army too.
Destiny of the group up with 9
me a
people
one girl army.
Me a one
girl army. You always a play blood clot. It's everything on your table you do. Everything you do. Okay. Yeah, God, you're perfect. You never do it.
Everybody got no Barney a drunk. Sorry for me no want a boy or a girl sorry for me a blood clot. Me never come pan you come look sorry for. Me no need nobody for gang up for cuss. You have to gang up. Me and your friend. And me and your fall out. And you don't know Karina from nowhere. And you run go friend the girl because you want group up because you feel like so when you friend the girl that I got blood clot hurt me. You know hurt me. When you bring down the whole social media, you call Perry name, you call Rebel name, you call everybody name for bring me down. Me no need bumper clot people. And me a one girl army. Never in my life me cuss with somebody and I have group up for cuss somebody and me alone. I want the world against me and me alone. I can't stand up for myself. You have to need a bag of people for come from this blood clot for come help cause. Be a people over your life, 9 people. And that's why I'm the wrong human when you Gucci for class, yo. Because you class people today and you go friend them tomorrow and I like me where we class you stay class. Me with this anybody. Me this anybody. I'm gonna come friend people. You have to look at my friend you back. I'm a friend back and I know the intention we have. Me not sit down and hold no conversation with you. What kind of proof Destiny come show no say is something when me chat. She can't show you. She can't show you say me chat Perry. Everything I call. I mean and Destiny no call for phone. Every single thing I call because he wants to say record it. And knowing you will always have your proof or your voice note them and you record them, you would have record me Destiny. Because just like how you save up the message them and the voice note them for when you're smart in an argument, you would have turned on your next phone and you would have record me when me and you chat mix up about people. You don't have no proof. You say me chat Perry and Rebel say them not come on my match. I call you. Me chat T-Nice, I call you. Me get notice, I call you. Everything I call because you can't prove, say you can't prove call. Why everything I call you? Me and Destiny not even close off a TikTok bling away. So when time TikTok done, me and Destiny add the text. I shouldn't hear from me, we text me and say me good. Me and the girl let us sit down and hold no argument. Me and him sit down and hold no argument. Me not tell no pussy hole say me get notice. What is a notice for me come tell lie about? What is a notice for me come on the life come say no so them give me notice? What is a notice? When me and the people them over the first house, cheese friend them cheese help me, the woman them help me get for come out of detention. The people them is not social media people. And when the people them did want me for leave, and me come on live come tell everybody say they want me for come out of the yard. Me come on live come talk that. What is a notice for me can come tell social media say them get. Look how much things me come on live come talk. Brawlingly. If me get notice, you think me afraid for come on live say boy me get notice. What kind of bumbo clock notice? At 3,000 I pay for my rent yes so. 3K. And I go up at the office in morning to the manager and I go video myself when me I go up there and ask them if me get no notice and post it. What kind of bumper clock notice? Why would I just tell us me get notice, sir? Just so, me just tell us boy Destiny me get notice. I mean a voice note in my phone, my baby father try to help me forget somewhere right beside that he want me to come live. Today was Tuesday, it was yesterday and today me and him did go look on the place and I told me and him vex and I go do what I do. What kind of bumper clock notice? I don't want to get a 10 like for my Destiny a born liar. And through no pussy one like me neither, and I go believe every blood clot thing with Destiny say, and I go suck on the mother too and come off from a bumbo clot name and allow me. Bumbo clot. Good night, man. Bling everybody. Me gone.
Alright, good.
Please, Quenty.